Talking once again with Andy Semichuk, Semichuk at pacelawfirm.com. Andy, good to see you.
Hi, Sean.
We're talking EB-5 update today. Let's get right into it with what is the EB-5 visa program?
Okay, that's a U.S. program designed to enable investors who are interested in moving to the United States to get green cards. And to get the green card, you have to do two things. One is invest money, and number two is create at least 10 jobs with your investment.
Okay.
So that's the EB-5 program in a nutshell.
All right, but there are some issues going on with that. I know that the investment that you're talking about was set at $500,000. Then it went to $900,000. Now it's back to $500,000. What's going on in the news with the EB-5?
Okay, so as you've got in the slide here, there are two elements. On the left-hand side, you've got the Bering decision, which is a court case. And basically the gist of it is, should the investment in EB-5 be 900,000 or 500,000? At the moment, it's 500,000 because in the Bering case, the regulation that lifted it up to 900,000 was struck down. However, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service has appealed that decision, and in time, we'll see, maybe it will go up to 900,000 again. On the congressional side, the picture on the right, Capitol Hill, what's going on is the EB-5 program consists of two parts, a regional center part and another part that's called the direct investment part. The regional center part is an investor invests money in someone else's project, and it's a loan for a period of, let's say, 5 years that enables the investor to get a green card if he loans the money and if the investment creates 10 jobs. In the course of that process, the investor has to show at the 2-year mark that the money still remains invested and that 10 jobs were created. He gets a conditional green card for that 2 years, and at the end of 2 years, it goes to full green card. In the direct investment program, the investor is either in charge of the whole project or becomes a minority shareholder in a project that also gets him or her the green card in the same manner, but it's an equity investment as opposed to a loan.
All right, but there is a problem with that right now, is there not, with the regional side, because Congress has not done what you thought they might do as they've done every year in the past.
Thanks for reminding me. Yes, that's true. What happened is the program sunset, meaning it ceased. After 20 years of being renewed every year, this last time the Congress didn't bother to renew the program. So we have to get Congress to address it again. People are trying, and we're hopeful that maybe by the end of this year, Congress will renew the program.
Okay, so the upshot is right now, if there's an investor out there with $500,000, they can still go the direct investment route, build a hotel or a gas station or something on their own and still get the EB-5 and a path to green card that way.
Yes, or become a minority shareholder in someone else's project, still direct investor as a shareholder, and get the green card.
Excellent. All right, Andy. And if people want to contact you, you can take care of all that for them. Is that right?
Of course, yes.
Okay. And one last question. The last time we checked, we were talking, it was around a 2-year mark that you could get the process from start to finish. Now you're thinking it might even go less than that.
Yeah, it's looking really good for direct investor green cards. I'm thinking it used to take 2 years, but since the regional center project has ceased, there's a lot of extra guys processing the same amount of papers. So maybe less than a year, who knows? Okay,
well, let's give them something to do. If you're an investor looking for a green card and you want to go the EB-5 route, be sure to contact Andy at what you see on the screen, Semichuk at pacelawfirm.com. You can also contact him on Twitter at Semichuk. Andy, always good to talk to you.
Good. Thanks, Sean. Take care.
See you later.
Bye.